Welcome to Nitro Garage. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS represents the peak of luxury SUVs, combining imposing design, cutting-edge technology, and an interior experience that blurs the line between automotive engineering and private jet indulgence. Every inch of this vehicle reflects Mercedes-Maybach's dedication to craftsmanship and exclusivity. The exterior is a commanding statement of presence, defined by its signature Maybach grille with vertical chrome slats, a bold hood ornament, and sculpted lines that flow smoothly from front to rear. Its two-tone paint options and chrome detailing emphasize elegance while maintaining a modern sophistication. The long wheelbase and wide stance enhance its majestic aura, while the large chrome multi-spoke wheels and illuminated running boards add to its regal appeal. Even before stepping inside, the vehicle communicates status, refinement, and performance in equal measure. Under the hood, the 2026 GLS Maybach offers a refined blend of power and smoothness. The hand-built V8 engine, paired with an advanced mild hybrid system, produces around 600 horsepower, while ensuring seamless acceleration and superior fuel efficiency. Mercedes' S4MATIC all-wheel drive system and Airmatic adaptive suspension work together to deliver a driving experience that is both commanding and serene. The suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, ensuring a magic carpet-like ride regardless of terrain. Drive modes allow for full personalization, whether the owner prefers a sportier feel or a comfort-first glide. Despite its size and power, the SUV remains remarkably quiet inside, as active noise cancellation and advanced insulation create a peaceful cocoon for passengers. The interior of the 2026 GLS Maybach is an environment of unmatched opulence. Once the doors open, automatically of course, the cabin greets occupants with a wave of ambient lighting, perfumed air, and soft close mechanisms. The seats are crafted from the finest Nappa leather, available in two-tone or single-color combinations. And every surface is trimmed with handcrafted wood veneers, polished aluminum, or piano black lacquer. The front seats are equipped with massage functions, ventilation, and multiple memory settings, while the rear cabin redefines automotive luxury. The rear seats can recline up to 43 degrees, providing a near lie-flat position, complemented by leg rests, heating, cooling, and hot stone massage capabilities. Between them sits a full-length center console with folding tables, champagne flute holders, a refrigerator, and MBUX touchscreens for personalized control. The 2026 GLS Maybach's technology suite is as luxurious as it is intelligent. The latest MBUX hyperscreen dominates the dashboard, stretching across the cabin, three seamlessly integrated OLED displays for the driver, front passenger, and central infotainment. Voice and gesture control systems respond naturally to commands, while the intelligent assistant learns user habits and anticipates needs. From adjusting climate zones to selecting preferred music or navigation routes, rear passengers enjoy individual entertainment screens with wireless headphones, integrated tablet-style controls, and even augmented reality navigation for scenic journeys. The Burmester 4D surround sound system provides an immersive audio experience, using resonating sound transducers built into the seats to let passengers feel the rhythm of music like a concert hall on wheels. In terms of materials and detail, the GLS Maybach sets new standards for craftsmanship. The stitching on the seats and dashboard is completed by artisans using traditional hand techniques. Wood inlays can be configured in open-pore walnut, high-gloss black, or yacht-inspired flowing lines. Even the floor mats are made from thick pile wool, and the roof lining can be ordered in Alcantara or fine microfiber suede. Customization is nearly limitless, allowing owners to create a truly bespoke environment through Mercedes Manufacture Program. Soft ambient lighting offers over 64 color options, creating an atmosphere suited for any mood. From soothing blues for evening drives to golden hues that enhance the warmth of the leather, performance remains as polished as the design. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts imperceptibly, and the hybrid assistance ensures instant torque delivery. The SUV glides effortlessly on highways, yet remains composed and confident in city traffic, thanks to rear axle steering and advanced driver assistance systems. Among these are adaptive cruise control with route-based speed adjustment, active lane keeping, automatic parking assist, and a 360-degree camera system that provides a crystal-clear view of surroundings. The e-active body control system even tilts the car slightly into corners for smoother handling and comfort, while an advanced sensor array scans the road ahead to pre-adjust the suspension for bumps or dips before they happen. The 2026 GLS Maybach also emphasizes sustainability without compromising prestige. Its mild hybrid setup improves efficiency and reduces emissions, while new lightweight materials enhance aerodynamics and lower overall weight. The engine start-stop system is almost imperceptible, and regenerative braking contributes to energy recovery during deceleration. Even the interior materials include sustainable leather tanning methods and responsibly sourced wood. Mercedes aims to ensure that its flagship luxury SUV embodies both environmental responsibility and timeless grandeur. Externally, the lighting design showcases Maybach's signature elegance. Digital LED headlamps project ultra-precise beams that can adapt to traffic conditions, while the taillights feature an intricate 3D pattern that glows like fine jewelry. The chrome window surrounds, roof rails, and Maybach badging are subtly integrated, balancing attention-grabbing details with refined minimalism. At night, the Maybach logo projects from beneath the side mirrors, greeting the driver with a soft light signature that feels ceremonial. When seated inside, passengers experience a sense of serenity that few vehicles can match. The cabin's acoustics are engineered to minimize external noise, creating an atmosphere of complete calm. The perfume atomizer fills the air with customizable fragrances, while the climate control system allows 4 distinct zones, ensuring every passenger experiences their ideal environment. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light during the day, while a star-like illumination system adds a celestial glow at night. This is not merely an SUV. It is a sanctuary of motion, designed for those who expect nothing less than perfection. Every detail of the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS reflects a philosophy that transcends transportation. It is designed for comfort without compromise, power without aggression, and technology without complexity. Whether chauffeured or self-driven, it delivers an effortless sense of superiority and grace. The combination of traditional Maybach craftsmanship with Mercedes-Benz innovation makes it more than just a luxury SUV. It is a symbol of success, refinement, and prestige. For those who seek an elevated driving experience where performance meets serenity and elegance meets intelligence, the 2026 GLS Maybach stands as one of the most extraordinary vehicles ever created.